Good morning, everyone. Hope you're doing well today. It is a bright 5:58 a.m. and I'm here from Casa Trailer Buyers. Very nice. And today I'm going to talk to you about finding sources for your paper. Okay. So if we go to our units, we go to our argumentative essay, and we go all the way down and then up a little bit to the final essay assignment, we see that right here we have a minimum of 3 outside sources formatted on a source page in MLA formatting. Okay. And so I'm going to show you a very easy process of obtaining 3 credible sources and how to cite them very easily. Okay. So I want you to just follow along with me. Take some notes if you need to. Okay. All right. So where to go? If you are in our Blackboard page, okay, over here on the tab, you should see something that says Galileo. Galileo. This is important. This is where you'll find what you'll use to find your sources. Now, for some reason, yours doesn't say it here. If you don't have a link that takes you to here, then you can also go through the Access panel. If this is the way that your Access panel looks, it's the way that mine looks. All right, where I have my email and Blackboard and stuff. There's also the GTC library and Galileo. Galileo is what you want to use. And so Galileo, when you click on it, it will bring you here. It's loading. All right. And you can scroll down and find Galileo right here. Regardless, you want to get to Galileo to find your documents. Okay, it's the best thing. So do these screens look the same? Yes, great. Okay, so we're here. Okay, when you get to Galileo, you want to go to Advanced Search. Just click Advanced Search. And the screen that it brings it to you is not quite as advanced yet, so you have to hit again Advanced Search, dude. You go to one website to another page, and then finally you get to this is the page that I want you to be at. Okay, so you're gonna type in your topic. I'm going to imagine that I want to write about, since this is an argumentative essay, we're talking about, I want you to talk about ideas. We are going to discuss the legalization of marijuana, okay, and why it would actually be beneficial. So I'm going to think about it from a perspective on taxes and economics and how much the state pays towards arresting people. And also I'm thinking about it in relation to the inequalities that come up with marijuana arrests. So I'm just going to write marijuana arrests statistics. And before I didn't mean to hit search. Go back. I'm going to type in my topic. I misspelled it. There you go. And then I'm going to go down here. I'm going to ignore this. I'm going to ignore notifications. And I'm going to click off also search within the full text of the articles, because if that's on, they will try to look for this sort of tags or topics in the articles, and the article might just briefly have mentioned something, but not actually be about that. And so I just like to go ahead and eliminate that. I want to click on full text. You want full text. Sometimes things will pop up where it's not actually a PDF. You have to request privileges to see it, to look at it, and sometimes they'll mail it to you, and that just takes too long. We want to be able to and I know that when you sit down to do your research, you want to be able to see your research right then and there. So you're going to make sure that you click on full text, so that way we know that the things that the database searching knows that you want it's full access right now. Okay, publish date. I like to search within 10 to 20 years of where we are right now, especially for more contemporary topics. You know, information changes, perspective on topics change, science changes, statistics are always changing. So there are some things that are dated related. So I put January 2010 to October 2019. I'm going to keep it within the last 9 years. I mean, I guess I could do like 2009, but whatever. Okay, search. So this is going to show me stuff that's I can look at right now, and that's relatively recent. Okay. So okay, this one sounds interesting. The injustice of marijuana arrests. All right. I think one of these I'm purposely looking for because I already have pulled up. Oh no, the scandal. I'm looking for the one that says the scandal. Oh, there you go. The scandal of racist marijuana arrests. I'm just going to say this sounds very interesting. If I'm talking about why marijuana needs to be legalized, I could talk about how it would help eliminate racially motivated arrests. So if I click on the scandal of racist marijuana arrests, I can download the PDF. There's a description, okay, what the article is about. I can download the full PDF text. I can print it off. It's 5 pages. All right, I can read it. And this might be something that I can use in my paper about this. So let's say I like this. I mean, I don't like racist marijuana arrests. I'm saying the article is a good article and I wish to use it. Okay. Then I'll go back to this page that I clicked on, the scandal of racist marijuana arrests. If you look over here with tools, there is an icon that says cite. I click on cite. I get this citation format screen, and I can scroll down. And remember, if you go back to this for Unit 4 Argumentative Essay, we need a minimum of 3 credible outside sources, formatted MLA. What? So back to this page, to the cite page. If I scroll down, oh, look at that MLA. It has this source already cited correctly. I can highlight it. I can copy. I can go to a document. Let's see what's out here. Oh, it's from my guitar classes that teach our lessons. I go to new. Okay. Works cited. So then I can go ahead and paste it here. Paste. Okay. The only thing that's wrong is some of the formatting. If you notice, it's kind of highlighted. So I'm just going to erase all that formatting. There you go. I'm going to indent it. The one thing though is that when your citations go to the next line, okay, they should be indented, not like that, so that the author's last name is everything underneath is tabbed over. Okay, so I can go over that more later, but this way I go ahead and cite it. I save it. Let's see. I want to save it in GTC works cited page, save. So if I was really writing this essay, okay, I have me an article I like here. I went ahead and cited it. I put it in my works cited page, okay, so that way I can attach this to my final essay and get all the points for my resources. Okay. Marijuana arrest statistics. Let's say there's another article I like. The injustice of marijuana arrests. All right. This is by the New York Times. Okay. So this is the best resource for finding articles. This is what I really want you to use. All right. This is what the school wants you to use. This is what your other classes will want you to use. Is Galileo. All right. You can, let's see here, legalization of marijuana. Look, this the first one came up: marijuana legalization, racial disparity, and the hope for reform. It's full PDF text, so I can click on this. Let's say I downloaded it, I liked it. All right, here's an abstract. The abstract gives you a summary of what this is about. You don't ever quote the abstract in your essay. You quote the you actually get the document and you quote something from this. Now look, this is 34 pages. You don't really need to have read all 34 pages, okay? You read through it. If you find something that you like, good. If you don't, then don't use it, okay? But let's just say, this is having a problem pulling it up. But let's just say that you read this, you liked it, and you want to cite it. Once again, you just hit cite, scroll down to MLA, boom, that's it right there, okay? You only cite sources that you actually use, all right? I'm going to make a video about how to integrate quotes next week, all right? This week, it's just about you finding sources and reading them and referencing them slightly in your outline, okay? But you don't actually have to quote anything, so I'm not going to go over quoting. I just wanted to go over how to find your sources, all right? I hope this video worked or was helpful for you. In the case that you have more questions, you are still not sure about something, then email me, ask me a question, and I will try to help you out on a personal level. All right? I'll see y'all later now. Have a good week. That was the wrong button.